Welcome to this peaceful moment of meditation and reflection. Find a comfortable position, either sitting with your spine naturally straight or lying down comfortably. If you're sitting, rest your hands gently on your lap or knees. Gently close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Let each breath release any tension in your body, allowing your shoulders to soften and your jaw to relax. Now allow your breathing to find its natural rhythm. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your abdomen. Let your mind become quiet like still water, as we explore today's teaching and the path to inner peace. In the profound wisdom of Buddhist teaching, greed is understood as one of the 3 root causes of human suffering. As we navigate through life's journey, especially in our mature years, understanding and transforming greed becomes essential for finding lasting peace and contentment. This teaching holds particular relevance in our modern world, where messages of consumption and acquisition constantly bombard our senses and challenge our inner peace. Imagine greed as a vessel with a hole that can never be filled. No matter how much we pour in, it continues to drain. This endless cycle of wanting creates a perpetual state of dissatisfaction, preventing us from experiencing the deep joy available in each present moment. Take a deep breath now, feeling the simple satisfaction of this basic life-giving process. Notice how complete each breath feels, requiring nothing more. The Buddha taught that greed manifests in various forms, from obvious material desires to subtle cravings for recognition, praise, or even spiritual achievements. Like a thirsty person drinking salt water, the more we consume in response to greed, the greater our thirst becomes. As you continue breathing mindfully, observe any sensations of wanting or craving that might arise in your body. Perhaps there's a tightness in your chest, a tension in your shoulders, or a clutching sensation in your stomach. Consider how this endless wanting appears in your daily life. Notice the mind's habit of reaching for more, believing that happiness lies in the next purchase, the next achievement, or the next experience. With each breath, bring gentle awareness to these patterns of thinking. Feel how the body responds to thoughts of wanting and acquiring. Allow yourself to rest in the simplicity of this moment, free from the need to grasp or obtain anything. As we age, life offers us countless opportunities to develop wisdom about true contentment. Many discover that the pursuit of material wealth and status brings neither peace nor lasting happiness. Real joy emerges when we learn to appreciate what we already have, cultivating gratitude for life's simple treasures. Take a moment now to bring to mind 3 simple things you're grateful for. Feel how this appreciation naturally relaxes the body and calms the mind. The practice of mindfulness helps us observe greed's subtle workings in our consciousness. When we sit quietly and observe our thoughts, we begin to notice the mind's tendency to grasp and accumulate. This awareness itself starts to loosen greed's hold on us. With each breath, we create space around these tendencies, allowing them to naturally dissolve like clouds in the vast sky of our awareness. In our daily lives, we can work with greed by first acknowledging its presence without judgment. Notice the triggers that awaken desire, perhaps advertisements, social media, or conversations about possessions and achievements. As you recognize these moments, take a conscious breath. Feel the ground beneath you, the air on your skin, the simple miracle of being alive in this moment. The antidote to greed is generosity, not just in material terms but in our way of being. When we practice giving, our time, attention, resources, or kindness, we experience the joy of abundance rather than scarcity. Each act of generosity creates ripples of positive energy that nurture both giver and receiver. As you breathe, imagine extending kindness and generosity to yourself and others. Feel how this intention naturally opens the heart and relaxes the body. Consider the metaphor of a flowing river. Water naturally gives itself freely, nourishing all it touches without discrimination. When we learn to live like the river, allowing life's abundance to flow through us rather than trying to hold and possess it, we discover a profound sense of freedom and joy. With each breath, imagine yourself becoming like this flowing river, neither grasping nor rejecting, simply being present with what is. The practice of releasing greed doesn't mean denying life's pleasures or living in austerity. Instead, it's about finding the middle way, enjoying life's offerings without becoming enslaved by them. When we eat, we can savor each bite mindfully. When we acquire something new, we can appreciate it fully while understanding its impermanent nature. Take a moment now to reflect on something you own that brings you joy. Can you appreciate it fully while holding it lightly? As we continue our meditation, bring awareness to the natural abundance that surrounds you. The air you breathe, the ground that supports you, the warmth of your own body, all these are freely given. Notice how acknowledging this abundance naturally reduces the grip of wanting more. With each breath, feel the completeness of this moment, requiring nothing more to be added or taken away. Remember that transforming greed is a gradual process requiring patience and gentle persistence. Be kind to yourself as you work with these deep patterns of mind. Each moment of awareness, each conscious choice to be content with what is, strengthens your capacity for genuine happiness and peace. As we conclude this meditation, set an intention to carry this awareness into your daily life. When you notice the pull of greed arising, pause, take a breath, and remember the peace you've discovered in this moment of letting go. May this understanding bring you lasting contentment and joy. May all beings be free from the suffering of endless wanting and discover the true wealth of an open heart.